And that's what Allah gave to us from Qur'an and Ayatul Kareem. قُلْ إِن كُنْتُمْ تُحِبُّونَ اللَّهَ فَاتَّبِعُونِي. So Fa-Tabiyuni is your whole life has to be entangled with Prophet. What you eat, how you pray, what you drink, how you drink, it's called following the Sunnah. That's the Fa-Tabiyuni, that's the entanglement. You don't love from a distance. Allah says, no, how you eat you follow, how you drink you follow, how you sleep you follow, how you wash you follow. Imagine now all these categories of Sunnah, and people can recognize that you're supposed to love Prophet more than you love yourself. Allah has you eating, drinking, sleeping, walking, talking, communicating, family, everything according to the way of Sayyidina Muhammad, because this is Fa-Tabiyuni. Why? So that we can gain Allah's yuhibbukumullah. If they achieve this movement in your ocean, then your dress will be upon their dress. Shahidan, mubashiran wa nadhiran. The Prophet's light more powerful than ours. So we're not going to be sending to Prophet because he's the far more powerful energy force, but he'll begin to send his energies upon your atom and begin to change you, dress you, bless you, hudan al-muttaqeen, and to guide you. It becomes the immensity of Allah's guidance. So now scientists will come and prove tariqas. Why? Because Allah's saying, there's no more time for you to keep playing and following shaitan. And you're listening to shaitan and then saying, no, this doesn't exist, this doesn't. And the only people who don't seem to understand science are the Muslims. Why? In the last days the Christians, Jews and Buddhists would come towards Sayyidina Mahdi. Why? Because they had the knowledges, they achieved these immense realities of sciences and they left it. They brought the sciences of medicine and math and anything you can think of, and they left it. And now when you talk about the science and spirituality, they don't want to even hear it. And when these videos go out, you'll see in the comments or all the techs and computer scientists that are coming and logging in and say that we verify it. I don't know who you are, but what you talk and we know, we see it in the systems, we see it in our computers, we see it in the particle studies and atomic studies. And that's what Allah described about numbers, and everything is perfectly numbered. And that would be for the people of the book to come to guidance, because in the last days they're the ones in sciences, they're the ones in all of this. God's kingdom will be evident and prevalent in everything they see. This has to do with God's kingdom, and He has a control over it. And if they want to join the kingdom, they'll see everything else is corrupt except the non-compromising Islam. That no, we don't compromise our faith. It is according to the beloved of Allah, no change, no modification, no innovation. So we want to reach to these lights, we want to be entangled into this understanding. What Allah gave to us then? إِنَّ الَّذِينَ يُبَيِّعُونَكَ يُبَيِّعُونَ اللَّهَ يَدُ اللَّهِ فَوْقَ أَيْدِيهِمْ. Take the hand. That you want to come to this reality, take the hand of Sayyidina Muhammad. Don't separate from it to the detriment of your soul. Because if you pull from your entanglement, you don't understand how much is coming to you. Right? We don't understand how much our light is mixed and all the ni'mat that comes to us from this love that we have. And Allah's warning, don't, because what you wouldn't think bay'at has to do with your soul. You say, okay, I just leave, I do whatever I want. Those whom entered into the true religion where they found they have to have a guide, they have to take a hand so they can reach their ahad and their covenant, that was Surah Tawbah. These were the men whom reached and fulfilled their covenant and ahad with Allah. You see that out of 99% of Islam nobody takes bayat anymore, so those then become very khawas. They're guided to make their Islam real, take the hand of those who represent Sayyidina Muhammad, because Allah feekum, that they're amongst you, these Muhammadiyun, their hand represents the hand of Sayyidina Muhammad. Take it, connect. Then immediately they're teaching, entangle your light with them, because now we'll use their science words. Muraqabah didn't seem to spark too much understanding for people. Meditation seems to be more like a hobby for people. Now I read this, go read the science articles, go study Google, what is quantum entanglement, simplified understandings of quantum entanglement. Quantum is the study of light and the study of entangled light and what happens, and then now think back towards my spirituality, that I want to be entangled with the Divinely realities, and this shaykh is teaching that, and that's what's called muraqabah. How to connect, how to keep the focus of the ulul am and bring my light out, asking for permission to connect to your encrypted files.